Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. I hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. Markets overnight have been topsy-turvy. ES 66.94 for a low, 67.37 for a high, so about 40 points in range there. NQ 955 up to 152, so about just under 200 points of range. Kappa about 200 ticks of range there. Ultra Bond rising up as we speak. Looks like about 12 ticks, 14 ticks, so just about half a point. Gold just popped up big time. Uh, 71 points in range. Hello, Jay, USC, Sire. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Crude oil, about 55 ticks in range. Bitcoin's back to just under 111K. So that's where we sit, stand, or whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this brisk, chilly Monday morning. It's 39 here. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Watching NQ kind of doing nothing right now. There was a major AWS outage overnight, so if you noticed that you might be missing data from certain charts or whatever, that's why. I noticed that my charts are missing data for about 4 hours. It's like from 2:17 my time to 6:43 my time. And we are coming down. It drifts down. Looking for $2,241 today to pass the Tradify competition eval part. Hey JC, morning, morning. If it's chilly down here this morning, it must be really chilly up there in Wisconsin. It's 39 here, so you're about the same we are as we are. Or I am. There's no we unless you include the cat. Probably, but I don't actually look outside much. Definitely gonna get it later this week because I looked at the forecast and one day this week it's supposed to get down to 34. So frost on the pumpkins. Looks like we have no news today. Nothing at all. ATR is just around 5 on the 1 minute chart, 14 on a 5 minute chart. And a blue candle pop here. Blue candle pop was smacked back down. Well, cold weather came just in time for Hallmark to start their Christmas movie marathon. It started this weekend. Should be illegal to start before Halloween. Taking along here. I did not mean to take it on 2 contracts, but yeah, we'll go with it. Well, they were really late on Friday, so it appears they're putting it up later. It's supposed to be up at 6 a.m. Central Time. There we go. We got 4.25 points there on 2 contracts. Good way to start the morning. Up 160. Copy trading that to a trade day eval and 4 apex evals. Thank you, USC. And JC. Continuing to rise up, so I could have got more, but I'm happy to go with 5 points when our ATR is around 5. Especially in 2 contracts. Friday was an adventure. Obviously, I wanted to pass on Friday, and I didn't. 1.0 was down over $1,200. Came back and finished green by a little over 100. So at least I didn't wreck anything. We did get you see the gray area there on the chart. It was a purple candle there. I didn't like the wick, but looks like I should have liked it because it's coming down. We'll see if it comes down further. So far, it's about 3 points. You can see how blow up the chart. Over here, when I got it here, a 5-point stop would have been safe. We could have got 10 points off of that one. So right now, it looks like I was right. This one's trying to bounce. Gold's grinding up. While the weather may be getting cooler, things are going to be heating up at MightyOxTrading. I have in the works right now 3 different interviews that should be happening sometime in the near future. And I also have a huge announcement coming scheduled for next Tuesday for something that's going to start November 1st. Gauge tag. Um, uh, Something we're going to be starting with MightyOxTrading. Gold pulls back. We put it this way: we're putting together a nice. Whoa, where'd that come from? Quick drop there on NQ. Putting together a incentive type program to get some more activity in the Discord community and that type of thing. Um, and I think it's going to be pretty cool. Uh, Scheduling it right now for next Tuesday. Hi, Knock. How you doing? My chief operating officer is putting the finishing touches on it now. Nice pop there in gold. I missed the blue candle. It's a tiny little blue candle, but it was a blue candle and it was a great pop. Very nice pop. That's like a 10-point pop. We're back above 4,300 on gold. All right, look at gold just run now all of a sudden. Don't see any news that caused any type of pop. And Q popping too. Bounced off the 100 EMA. Oh crap! You know what? I totally forgot about that. Yeah, I will. I'll get that Google form done today and put it up tomorrow. I need to start writing things down. I understood what you meant. I speak fluent typo. We don't judge on spelling. And For Money's not here. She's the teacher. uh, None of us really need to know how to spell anymore. It's all on our devices. Just like all the time we spent learning long division. When was the last time you pulled out a piece of paper and actually did long division with a pen and paper? Slow gonna grind up. Go pulling back a tad. In Q 25090. Nice pullback there. Didn't really give me a signal that I wanted. That purple candle, I guess, could have been a signal, but trying to only take the best possible trades. Hello, Ron. How are you? Sorry, didn't mean to miss you there. How was the weekend? I didn't ask anybody. How was everybody's weekend? Do anything fun? Do anything fall related? Do anything Halloween related? Halloween related? Yeah, the Dodgers won. And Blue Jays Mariners are going to 7 games, which means that's going to give the Dodgers even bigger advantage because Dodgers got the rest. Those two teams didn't. Alter bonds are kind of rocketing up. Russell's up. Crude's popping up. I think it's looking positive so far today. We should come crashing down at the open. And of course, our reminder, if you haven't gored that like button yet, I would appreciate if you do, as NQ pops there. Guess that was on Canadian PPI. I mean, I didn't expect that news to do anything, but that's a nice pop. Is your kid out the door, Crypt? Pull back there in queue. Please hold while next available operator. Then Crept, I think you need to get him to school. Then you can go back to bed. I know I didn't want to get up this morning. That's the one bad thing about cooler weather. It makes you not want to get out from underneath the covers. It was 65 degrees in the house when I woke up. Let's see, where are we at now? It's risen to 67. 67.1 here at my desk. Remember, folks, we have a stream this evening as well, our Monday evening stream, Monday Night Ox. Yeah, I do. I mean, I have a feeling as I continue to lose more weight, I won't like it as cold. But I have a lot of natural insulation, so yeah, that's a good point too. I got two big computers running, generating heat. But yeah, I like it cold. To the point that I'm trying to debate whether, because they want it down to 34 later this week, whether or not I want to put the heat on or not. I probably won't. I'm the type that I didn't matter how cold it got, I would not wear a jacket before Thanksgiving. There's a slow grind up here on NQs. It tries to get back to 25,100. I missed a couple of good plays on gold. And there's NQ there, left at 25,106. Quick first. Wait, what? Oh. For anybody that's had a previous account with Fidias, today only. I think it's today only. And limited to this one account, any size evaluation account. This doesn't include their one-time payment accounts. Evaluation accounts, $35. It could be any size. So you could even get the 150K fundamental or swing account for $35, any size, with a code back again. And it's a one-day pass as well. Fidias. Again, it's only for people who have had accounts with them before. So if you have not had an account with them before, then They do not do Ninja. With more firms now getting NinjaTrader, Tradovate, I'm hoping that changes. Oh yeah, that's right. I have a 50K intraday trade day account to give away today. And then this evening on Monday Night Ox, I got 2 more to give away. Let's do the giveaway a little bit closer to the bell to give give a little bit of time for more people to file in, and then someone remind me again because it's Monday and my brain's not fully functioning. And Q keeps trying to grind up here. It's very slow. Our ATR is falling under 5. Come on, NQ, you need to start moving. Well, honestly, I screwed up not taking these gold trades. If I had taken these gold trades, I probably could have gotten what I needed already. But gold's been hurting me lately. So full this transparency. I blew a topstep funded account last night. Now it was on life support. Anyway, it had been sitting with about $50 in drawdown left, and gold hurt me last night to take away that last. Now, by the way, fun fact. Look at NQ going now. I missed that trade too. That I should have taken that blue candle. Gotta get my head in the game. But fun fact, Top Step gives you an extra $100 in drawdown before it fails you, or before the account blows. As I went under, I came back above, and I went back under, and it did not give me the notice until I was $100 more than what I thought in drawdown that I should have. Oh, this is why it popped. White House Senior Advisor Hassett says, I think the shutdown is likely to end sometime this week. All right, Crip, tell your son I said have a nice day. Beautiful pop on NQ, and dude, I hate that. I hate that I did not think to take those little blue candles that were just right there on the 9, just like I say I should. Somebody's got to smack me with a 2x4. Continuing to run. Everybody run. So now we got the gray area on both the 5 and the 1. Dow also popping. Russell popping. ES popping. And NQ comes right back down. NQ came right down to the 9, so I'm watching for a bounce here, which is what it looks like is happening.
Order filled.
Got it. Not take that purple candle there. Did take a short on gold on a Tradify eval off of a 5-minute chart setup. Hey, Laughter, how you doing? Yeah, Ultra Bond's been rising all morning. Seems like. I don't have a ZN chart up, but I watched the Ultra Bond. Huh, well. Gold came down and popped back up. And Q getting back that entire purple candle almost at this point. How are you doing today, Laughter? Gold's gonna hurt me. Could have had 3 points. I was going for more. I thought for sure it looked like I wanted to fall more, but I might have been wrong. We shall see. Ouch. Hurt me, baby. Look at that pop on gold. I knew I recognized the name, and I knew it had been a while. It's been a while since you've been here. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Sorry. Yep, definitely trying each day. Concentrating too much on that gold trade. I didn't take the NQ trade. How's trading been going for you for however long you've been gone from here? That would have been a great, good, easy for me to say. Good trade there on NQ if I caught that short, but next. Gold's coming back for me. My entry on gold is 4332.9. You can see right now I'm taking heat, but see if it comes back down. Nope. Just as I say that, it pops back up. NQ heading up. Just keep improving. I mean, if you're, you know, figuring out where you're going wrong, that means you're getting closer each time. Believe me, I know the struggle. And that gold trade stopped me out for a big loss. Dang it. I was dumb of me to stay in that gold trade. I should have got out on that blue candle. I got to start getting out of trades when I get an opposite signal. Oops. Somehow I just lost my NQ chart. Where did it go? I didn't close it down, did I? No, there it is. NQ running up. Gold trying to give me another signal. Yeah, that one I missed. Tried to hit the button, but it didn't hit. That was a good trade right there. Morning, RJ. How you feeling? Gold bounced right back up there. Could have crabbed? Could have grabbed a quick 5 points, but right back up. The Jays are hanging in. Gonna be an interesting game 7. And gold right back down. How about that? We said that at the same time there, RJ. Yeah, I thought they were cooked after the first 2 games, but it's been an exciting series. But either team's going to be at a major disadvantage versus the Dodgers. Oh, wow. So I'm assuming you're a Dodger fan? Look at this. We are at the high day now, 25,140. Rising up. All-time high. No, I'm sorry. We're not at the high day. Are we at the high day? No, we're not. High day was 152. I apologize. Looking at the wrong chart. 152. So we have 12 points to go. We're about 250 points off the all-time high. Gold giving me a purple, narple.
Order filled.
Okay. gold really gonna kick my butt again? No, here it comes. I think. There it comes. Just drop you. Metallic nugget. I know, RJ. They're saying that may be the best individual game ever, and I'm not sure I disagree. 3 home runs, 6 shutout innings, 2 hits, 10 Ks. My God.
Order filled.
Taking that for 3 points. I took the gold trade for 3 point. No, only 1.9 points. Crap! It really popped back up on me there. I took it. 19 ticks, but ugh. Looks like it wants to continue coming down. I think it's going to give me another purple candle on gold. So it means I should have stuck in the first trade. Now I'm interested in this NQ purple candle, though.
Order submitted.
We're short. NQ. Ah, touched the 9, bounced back up. Should have taken it at the 9. Dang it. I got greedy again. Take small wins. Take small wins.
Order filled.
Took it for 3.25 points there. Might continue to fall, but it was struggling with the 9. So I took it. It's on 2 contracts. So we're up 280 now in the morning. Now need less than 2K to pass this the eval stage. Gold bounces back up. Glad I did not take that second purple candle. NQ on the 5, setting up for a possible entry. Not sure where I want to take that though, or if I want to take that. It's going away though. Blue candle pop on the NQ. NQ right back up. So glad I got out where I did. Everything is strength today. Everything is strong like bull, or strong like ox. So 2 for 2 on the trade day and the ones on copy trading with the trade day. 1 for 2 on the separate goal trades that I'm doing on a different account. Watching to see if this purple candle gets through the 9. My last name starts with OX. My last name is Oxenrider.
Order submitted.
Short NQ. And I used to hate my name. You know, at school, it's always dumb ox or oxymoron or oxy 10, things like that. To the point that at one point I said I was just going to legally change my name when I became an adult. But now I've turned it into a strength with my brand. Thank you.
Order filled.
Oh, quick whip down, target hit, 4 points, 2 contracts. We're up to 431. So now I have, MightyOxTrading. I have MightyOx Rips, which is my baseball card channel. And my overall corporate name, once I register my LLC, is going to be MightyOx Ventures. Oh, wow. Who was someone else blew? Who was funded last week that blew? Oh, yeah, FOMO. That's right. I knew he blew. Thank you. Oh, 0 Day J has passed me. Uncle Bugatti's passed me. Okay. Gotta stick with the plan and get funded today. That said, my God, 0 Day J is already reset 5 times. Bugatti 3. Damn good trading right behind me. CFT blew again? Sorry. Yeah, Kellyanne's killing it, but she's doing it the right way. She's not going for huge amounts. Well, guess whose server CFT is apparently in? Yeah, Nutty Bar was funded at one point and then blew up. Not literally, that would be messy. 5 minute NQ setup there worked very well. I didn't take it, but it worked well. CFT, assuming that's the real CFT, and I'm assuming it is all buddy buddy with Scott on Scott's server. Oh, FFF did funded Futures family. Hey JJR, thank you. Yeah, you know, FFF is trash. I mean, I'm not saying I disagree with that, but I don't care about what FFF says. Uh, Danny Trades' father is running that. Danny Trades is the one that took a $20,000 loss and put his fist through his computer screen. So, I mean, that's worse than a reset. Hey Ace, how's the weekend? How are you? Oh, futures for our future. I'm sorry. I was thinking funded futures family. I apologize. Too many acronyms. Give me a second, guys, while I bring up a random number generator, and then we'll do this trade day giveaway. Yeah, he's I won't say trash, but trash. He's racist. All right, guys, we're going to do a trade day 50K intraday eval giveaway. In the chat, type trade day, and then I will put it in a random number generator based on the who, whatever. Okay, so far that's 1. Ace, don't say trade day. 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, we're giving away 2 more trade day evals tonight on the Monday Night Ox. And Q pops back up. Gold we're just kind of sideways right now. Dow's running nicely. Anybody else? Only 5 people? Wait, Jay, are you actually going to use it if you get it? Okay, 6 people. I apologize. 6. Just making sure. Okay, I'll leave this open for another minute, and then I'm gonna run the random number generator. Okay, that's 7. Type trade day, Ace. That's the technical way to throw your hat in. All right, going once, going twice. All right. Give me 1 second here while I find software. There we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Didn't generate. There we go. Number 6. Hold on. I think that was JJR, but hold on, let me look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was JJR. JJR, you are the winner. JJR, do you have a Discord that I can send this to you, or do I need to email you, or how can I get you this code? I don't want to just put it in the chat. And then Q rises up to 151. He sits on a big gold exercise ball. Tell me how to get this code to you, JJR. I think we just hit a new high day on NQ. Well, we touched the overnight high. Well, 152.50 is the overnight high. We just touched 150 even, 152 even, I'm sorry. It's a nice move down. I should have taken that setup. I didn't. Still being too hesitant. Hey, livestock. Oddly, that didn't happen there, Ace. Gold coming down. Feel like gold's gonna come down at the open. And Q coming down. Uh, when was it giving you problems? Right now or earlier?
2 minutes till the bell.
My guess is that's all of Project X. I have a feeling that they need to increase server capacity, but that's just my guess. I know overnight they had an outage because AWS had an outage. Let me see if Topstep X is working. I have that up. I think it's here somewhere. The Topstep X is working, or whatever it is, Project X. Nice pull down here at NQ. Dropped 30 points. Basically hit overnight high and fell. Fell before the bell. NQ giving a purple candle on the 5. That's interesting. Why not? It's only money. Big fall here. And bounces a bit. Ooh, big pop. Yeah, not that big, but it looked bigger than what it was. That's what she said. 25 points up. Now let's get whoosh. Whoosh pop. 35. New high day. 157.75. Dow pops as well. Russell heading downward. Gold kind of sluggishly down. Wow. NQ really going. 166 now. This is a 50-point candle. Keeps going and going and going. Gold with a big move down. 10 points down. Ace is speaking French again. Langues. And Q's still going up to 188. Gold popping back up, and Q showing signs of coming down. Kind of like that candle, and now I don't. It's more green than I thought. It's iffy. Now it's going red anyway. Dang it. Finishes slightly green, so I stay out. Yeah, livestock. I tried placing an order on Topstep X. It didn't go. And Q hits 200, 201.5, now the high. And Q up 71 points since the open. I see NQ arising. I see profits on the way. Don't take a short tonight. It's not gonna end right. I see NQ on the rise. I just filled my orders. Not a good place to fill them either. And I just took a full stop. Well, thank you for that. Stupid thing.
Order submitted.
Short on cue. No, not going, not going, not going. Maybe going. Come on, come on, come on. Nope. It's gonna stop me out.
Order
Yep,
filled.
stop me out. $200 loss. Damn it. There's NQ, new high day. Q up, NQ up 88 points since the open, 91 points, 93 points. Do I hear 100? All right, we got 100. High now is 222 half. Only about 120 points off the all-time high. But now it's showing a red candle. Oh, back to green. $225 now the high.
Order submitted.
Second stop. No, maybe it didn't stop me yet. Hold on. Drove up there. Yeah. So it's gonna stop me. I'm gonna lose all my gains for the day. Maybe not. Come on back down. Get beaten back down. Yeah. Nope. Now it's popping up. Well, it's fighting here. Hey, there we go. Come on. Really? No, don't pop back up. No, 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 no. Come on down.
Order filled.
There we go. We got our 200 back from that last trade. Just scared the bejesus out of me. Gold, a nice pop up there. Yeah. Project X frozen again. API disconnected, attempting to reconnect on Project X. Morning, Platt. RJ had a message for you earlier. Here, it was about the Blue Jays versus Mariners. Hey, no Amelia today. Unless I missed her again. I don't think I missed her. Purple candle there, but I'm not sure I like it. I'm glad, yeah, so far I didn't like it. That would have worked. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Okay. Again, if anyone's trying to use Project X on any platform, I would not use it right now, even if you're able to log in. It's delaying orders or it's just disconnecting fully from the API. NQ's dropped about 35 points since the top.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Trying a 5-minute setup. I did this on a Tradify eval with 5 micros, short NQ, NNQ, and at 188 half, shooting for the 9 EMA at 160, 165 ish. NQ's popping back up though, so we'll see what happens. Looks like it's not going to work. NQ does not want to come down right now. Wow, it's going to totally take me out right away. Huh? Now it's coming back. Don't call it a comeback. Excellent USC. Excellent to see that you're lucid now. Oh, really? You know, you can put Tradovate in the NinjaTrader, right? Okay, cool. Hi, Eddie. What can I do for you?
Order filled. Order canceled.
And Q heading back upwards. Wants high day, I guess. Got it. High day now, 230. Tio, good morning. Yep, Lucid is my rookie of the year for 2025 for Propfirms. Wow, now we're just doing random fruit. $235 now the high. Now's not the time, kitty cat. Dow's coming down. That's setting up a nice 5-minute setup. USC says hi. Will you stop? What is it with you and tape? My cat loves adhesives. Seriously, do I got? About 7 minutes to the top of the hour. Again, reminder, we have an evening stream tonight. We'll be giving away 2, not 1, but 2 trade day, intraday evals. And another reminder, if you want Tradeify at 40% off, that's scheduled to end tonight. Everything's kind of slowed down. Slow down. We know how you feel. There was a setup on the 5-minute chart on YM. Unfortunately, I didn't take it. That looks like that's working. Meanwhile, NQ continues to push up. $394 is the all-time high. So we're about 150 points away. My Robinhood portfolio's loving it. I'm up $1,000 today. Oh, big drop. I was up $1,000 today. I should have taken that short. I think. No, maybe not. Went right back to green. Glad I didn't take that short. Eddie, please stop knocking stuff off my desk. Gold coming down. Dow came down nicely. If I'd taken that setup, I would have got a nice win. Oh, that's what you want? Why didn't you just say so? Here, let me get it for you so you don't keep like wrecking my desk. Here. Come on, back up a little bit so I can put it here for you.
Order submitted.
Took the short there on that purple candle. It's at a very precarious place. Ah, it's going to stop me out. It was a risk.
Order filled.
Yep. Gaining 10, losing 10, gaining 10, losing 10. That was a stupid play, I guess. Dang it. I'm never going to pass this thing. Looks like I want to go sideways for a little bit. Gold harsh down. Right back up. I don't think she's talking about her hubby. At the top of the hour, cat left after I gave him a treat. Starting my eggs. Never heard of Bismarck donuts. Go away. Just because I'm cooking eggs doesn't mean you can come back. That train seemed to pull NQ to another high up to 2446. You need to live right next to the rail yard that's here at Decatur. Check this ace. As soon as I find my software again. What the hell? There it is. That's the rail yard here in Decatur. See all those tracks? I am right here where my cursor is. So not far away. Right here. I lost it. These are the tracks you hear right there. Gold bounced. And Q's still trying to grind up to 251. Now I'm on the corner of Logan and Jasper. And I just dropped my egg dish into the frying pan. So now it's all eggy. Clark. Yep. Gold heading back up. And Q. The Dow was only a 1 candle drop on the 5-minute and right back up. Euro's kind of being all Euro-y. Russell heading down. But yeah, that train that blew up in Ohio a year or so ago, whenever that was, that had traveled through and was in that Decatur rail yard the day before. Look at that move by gold. 7 straight green candles. Clark. And Q just continues to try and move up. One dozen eggs ready to be eaten. think you're possibly giving me a 5-minute setup. Oh, back up. Maybe giving me a 1-minute setup here too. I don't know. I don't like it. Ooh. Dude, I don't know why you jumped to the other arm of the chair. I have the same thing. Whether matter which arm you are on. Purple candle. So getting a 5-minute setup and a 1-minute setup. Where I was, it's retreated again. Coming down. No, here it comes again. Here it comes again. Ooh, ooh. Catch me if you can.
Order
Oh, I
submitted.
got in really late.
Order filled.
Are you kidding me?
Order
There we go.
filled.
Target hit. Got my 10 points back from the last trade. Looks like it's going to go big, though. Maybe not. Smacks back up. Bounces real hard. Actually, it bounced off the 9 EMA on the 5-minute. Everybody got really, really quiet. I talk about trains and then everybody goes away. Glad I didn't talk about planes and automobiles too.
Order submitted.
Can't keep NQ down. Bounces right back up. YM bounced right back up too. Everything's happy today. Shiny happy assets rising. Shiny happy assets rising. Oh, now here comes NQ down again. Gold still rising. Daily goal. I mean, the goal I want for the trade day, I need 1,852 yet. NQ still coming down. Until I said that, then it turned right on a dime. Thank you. Can't stop, won't stop. Blue candle back on the 5. A trade that was looking good on that 5-minute chart, now not looking so good. I should have put it at break even.
Order fill.
Yep, stopped out on that. Whoopsie.
Order canceled.
Big old pop. Going back for the highs, which was 252.75. It's at 249. Crude coming down a bit. Gold still heading up. Euro's heading up nicely. Ultra bonds flattened. Looks like the action was early on, Platt. Rose up nicely. Like the first hour of the stream and it's been dead since. NQ new high. Gold showing a purple candle after the gray bar, or gold bar, or whatever color you want to call that bar. I love that bar. It's my kind of place action.
Order bill.
And gold popped down almost 3 points and then bounced. Meanwhile, NQ's trying to run. Everybody run. Oh no, that's a bad song now. Never mind. Forget I even started singing that. NQ up to 280. Now only 110 points off the all-time high. Meanwhile, gold bounced again, and it's going to stop me out again. Maybe not. Just got beat down.
Stop bill.
Yep, stopped out again on gold. I'm going to stop trying to trade gold. How we doing, guys? Red, green, somewhere in between. Getting us set up here. We're taking the short on NQ. Our ATR is only 12. Ooh, crap. Come on down. Target's 268. Entry's 275 half. Target is on the 9 EMA, basically. A little above it. Are you kidding me?
Order.
There we go. Target hit. So that was another 7.5 points. Now up 552 on the trade day today. Need about 7. Ooh, look at that. Look at the bounce. I got lucky. It would not have gone 10 points, which I would normally be going for. I decided to move the target up to right above that 9 EMA, and that's exactly what it did. It came down to that 9. It is so hard to figure out sometimes whether or not you're being greedy or if you're being too cautious by moving your target for a small, if you're leaving it for, normal amounts, or it's just, you don't want to leave too much on the table, but yet if things look bouncy, you don't want to be greedy and try and get more than it's going to give you. Another red candle. Actually, I'm not sure why it's not a purple. It should be a purple, I think. Because it's engulfing that tiny little body behind it. But that's okay. See how this finishes. This looks kind of sideways. Tiny candles. Did I ask red, green, or somewhere in between and no one responded? Or did I think that I just about go to say it and never actually said it? TradingView now has real-time news alerts. I wonder how that compares to Financial Juice.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Like seeing all the green. Except for on this pop-up on this NQ again. Wow. None of those 5-minute setups are working. I just tested them all yesterday or last night. Yeah. NQ does not want to die today. Um, JR, if you have I forget if you have a Discord account. If you do, send me a direct message. By the way, anyone that does not have a Discord, you're gonna want to get one because we're gonna be doing some stuff in there. And keep fighting in this area. And Q just sideways right now fighting. Very small candles. It's lost its oomph. ATR down to just 11. For the Discord, 1 second. Actually,
Order filled.
just got stopped out again. NQ pops
Order
up.
canceled.
Give me 1 second. There you go. NQ now less than 100 points off its all-time high. Or just about 100. 396, so it's at 294. FYI, Robinhood has just been taken down by AWS as well. Purple candle here after hitting 297.5. So got a new day, new high today. Didn't get a whole new day. That would have been weird. Now a purple candle, although it's going right into the 9. That's always dangerous. Highway to the danger
Order
zone.
submitted.
Oh, there, never mind. Yep, danger zone. I should have stayed out. Should have stayed out. Why didn't I listen to myself? Why don't I listen to myself? I know not to take into the 9. Ugh. If I stop making stupid mistakes that I know not to make, I would already be past this stupid thing. JJR, I verified you. Normally I don't direct message first, but I will here this time. Please hold for the next available operator. And NQ breaks 300 up to 309. Are we going to all-time highs? I didn't see this happening today. I mean, I wasn't sure where we were going to go, but I didn't see. I didn't think we were going to be this strong for the day. NQ's up 317 points. Gold up high. Outrageous avocado? Did you get my message? JJR? Did you get my private message? Okay, look at my screen, JJR. In 1 second when I find my software. So if you look on the left-hand side, you should see private messages over here. You can see yours right here. Oh crap, I'm here showing your code. That probably wasn't the best idea I ever had. If someone steals that code from you, I have another one. I'll just have one less for tonight. If you would prefer to email me, MightyOxTrading@gmail.com, and I can just send it by email. I don't want this distracting your trading either. No, I wouldn't know who used it. No, I shouldn't have said that. I should have said, "Oh yeah, I wouldn't know who used it." 2 dumb moves in a row. Greg Trades YM is up over 500 ticks on his trades right now. YM is going absolutely insane. Prop firms are starting to issue alerts not to use Project X. Tick and day traders have issued alerts. I believe you have 30 days to pass, or else you would have to pay the renewal fee. But honestly, I didn't check on that. I don't know why I didn't think to check on that, but that's how they use that. Most often, that's how they work. Only one that doesn't work like that is Take Profit Trader. Oh, no, you don't. But just remember, I did show the code on screen, so if somebody decides to try and use it, it could be used. But if that happens, just let me know. At least let me know. Yeah, and I'll get it replaced for you. This might want all-time high. I don't know. Has a little bit more room to run on the according to the RSI on the 15. Euros pulled back. Had a perfect setup. I just didn't notice it. Treasuries had a perfect popping setup there. Or Ultra Bond. I should say Treasuries. I don't know what the other charts look like. What's ES's all-time high? Same day. 68.12. So it's getting kind of close to. Japanese yen pulls back. There's a purple candle on NQ, but I don't know, at this point it's hard to trust. Like I said, I'll replace it if they did. Up. Ball and Ox just went 75% off. Everything. Option 1 and option 2. Yeah, 50K. And 50K intraday, JJR. Good, I didn't trust that purple there. You see it did not work. ATR under 10 now. RJ, Greg just gave you a little shout out on Discord. All right, we have reached the end of our time together today. Well, not really. For now, I should say, because we are back tonight at 7:30 Eastern. That's the time I'm normally on, right? 6:30 my time? Yeah, that sounds right. 6:30 Central, 7:30 Eastern for another good 2 hours of trading action. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you then. Bye.